All right, so let's try to summarize what we've learned about the visitor design pattern. So the idea is very simple. You propagate a method like accept, for example, throughout the entire inheritance hierarchy, and then you make a visitor with a visit foo, visit bar, and so on for each element in the hierarchy. So a visitor would have a visit overload for every single type that you have in a particular hierarchy, and then each of the accept methods, and you can call it something else, simply calls visitor.visit, passing itself as the argument. And this is precisely how you achieve double dispatch. And the only alternative is, of course, dynamic dispatch. So using a cast to dynamic, what we can do is we can invoke the right overload straight away based on argument type alone. And this is called dynamic dispatch. Now, dynamic dispatch is very convenient, and I've used it in real life projects. However, you have to appreciate that by casting to dynamic and searching for the overloads using this dynamic approach, you actually lose a lot of performance.